today's video, I'm going to show you how to earn money online using a brand new free Google trick, which is probably the easiest way to make money online today. How are we going to do this? Well, we're about to find out. And this is how you're going to earn over $3,000 using our new free Google trick. And the first thing you have to look up is What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up so you can be the first to know and try it out. In today's video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can set up this passive and automated income stream by using a very simple, very new Google trick in just one click of a button using a completely free software. And guess what? You don't even have to pay for anything. You don't have to invest any money just to be able to start. You don't need to have a website of your own, and this has absolutely nothing to do with affiliate marketing. And before I dive right into this video, you have to remember that I will have a special bonus tip for you guys at the end of today's video. So you have to make sure that you stick around and that you keep watching all the way till the end. Now to start, I want us to begin with step 1, which is to go on over to news.google.com. And step number 2, obviously, it's going to take you to Google News, which is basically a platform that has all of the news, and this was developed by Google, where you can find all of the latest news from literally all over the world. As you can see on the left side, you're going to see all the different categories, your country's categories, what's happening around the world, local news. You also have business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and health. Now, if you go on over to business, okay, that is going to give you all of the latest news on business. So it could either be in a specific country, in your country, or just all around the world. Now, moving on to step number 3. Now, every couple of hours, all of the news that you're seeing here updates, and new articles are going to pop up on the specific topics that they have on their websites. And in this case, it's going to be business. Now, as you can see over here, this was posted an hour ago. And over here, 14 hours ago, this one a few hours ago, and so on and so forth. You get it by now. So you can open any of the articles that you want, and then you can actually use these articles to make some money online. For example, we're going to use this one right here. Now, all we have to do is click on this article that we chose, and then it's going to take us to the main page where you can read the entire article that you're going to be able to use to make some money, which I am going to be teaching you how you can do it. Now, for this step in particular, what I want you to do is copy the entire article. And for the sake of today's video, I'm just going to copy around 2 sentences or maybe a paragraph of this article, because I just want to show you guys an example of how it really works and how you can make money using these articles. Now, moving on to step 4, you're going to go on over to QuillBot.com, and this is a free online tool that basically will paraphrase the articles that you had just copied. So you can use them free of charge to make some money online repeatedly, unlimitedly. So what you're going to do is paste your article over here, then you're going to click on paraphrase, and that is going to rewrite or paraphrase the entire article for you. Now, the best thing about this, it is completely free. Now, if you can see here on the left side, there's the original article, and on the right side, you can see the new paraphrased, rewritten article, which is unique, original, ready to be used for completely free. Now, you can copy the new article by just highlighting everything or clicking copy, and then you can use this to actually make that money. You can do the same thing for all of the articles on Google News, and you can literally do it to every single one. Now, later on to today's video, I'm going to be giving you free tips, okay, which I'm going to be showing you in a bit. And it's going to allow you to make 10 times more money than I actually promised you. Now moving on to step number 5, there are actually 2 different ways that you can actually make money with these new articles. First one is you're not gonna do anything much, but the second one, you are gonna make thousands of dollars, and I've actually made $10,000 and a lot of people as well. So we're gonna get into that. But before anything else, if you're loving today's video so far, make sure that you like, subscribe, and comment about what you're loving the most about our videos so far. It really helps the channel and it makes us really happy to know if you do so. Just make sure you keep watching because we're almost done and you're almost going to start making money like wildfire. So let's continue. Now, the first and the least paying option is to actually use TextBroker.com. Now, this website works or has worked with a lot of big names like Yoast, Staples, eBay, and so on. Now, this platform will pay you to write those articles. Now, you won't have to write those articles, obviously, because I just showed you how you can get them done for you for completely free by using a simple Google trick. So all you need to do is basically go on a text broker. You're going to click on I write content right here. And that's going to take you over to the next page where you can learn more about how you can make money by writing an article for TextBroker. It's absolutely free to register with TextBroker and start making money by writing different articles right now. And if you go to the payment section right here and click on information, you're going to be able to know how much money you're actually going to be making. And as you can see, for 1,000 words, you're going to be making $50. And you can literally find a lot of articles that are 1,000 words long on Google News. So the longer the article you have, the more money you're going to get paid. And if your article is longer, then the better. You're going to be making more money. Let's say you're able to pass an article that's worth 12,000 words. You're going to be making up to $600. And the best thing about this is that you can do it unlimitedly. There is no limit. But you have to remember that this is not going to make a lot of money compared to the second way that we're going to be talking about. So imagine $600 and there's still something more. And to get started with TextBroker, before we get into that, you're going to click on free author registration. You're going to create a free account and you're going to start making money with these articles. And the freelancing websites, these are the second way to be able to get even more money than $600. So we have Quicken Gigs, People Per Hour, Fiverr, Freelancer.com, Truelancer.com, Guru.com, Upwork.com, and a lot more. I'm sure you guys know there's a lot of different freelancing web pages or websites that you can use, not just Fiverr, because if you use more freelancing websites than one, then that means you can make more money than a little. So if you sell on several different freelancing websites, then you can make your money 10 times more than expected. But if you obviously just sell on one website, then you're only gonna make money, just a little bit of money. So if you go on over to Fiverr and you're gonna search for article writing, that's gonna show you immediately all of these results, all of these people that are already making money just to write simple articles. But the thing is, they're doing it from scratch. They're making it from scratch because they haven't seen my video, because they don't know how to do it not from scratch. And that is why it takes them more time to earn money like this. But since you guys have watched my video today, you're going to be earning the same amount of money in a shorter span of time, which is absolutely amazing. And you can deliver it to your customers quickly, and customers love it when you can deliver quickly. And you can see that it actually works. So pretty much everything that you need is over here. You're going to get paid to do certain stuff, to write articles, and that's pretty much it. These are all the proof that you need to know that this actually works. This strategy actually works. All of these people, they're already making a lot of money. So make sure you do this. Try all of the freelancing websites to really maximize your earnings. It's a very simple and easy method. It's free. And the best part is it's worldwide available. So that's pretty much there is to it. And I will see you guys in the next one. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys again for watching today's video. We're so close to 60,000 subscribers, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you did. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.